In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Charles Schwab account number and routing number. The most reliable and up-to-date way to get these details is directly inside your Schwab account, and that's exactly what we'll do. Start by signing in to your Schwab account on the official website or app. Once you're in, look for the Move Money section. This is where Schwab keeps all the tools related to transferring funds, direct deposits, and payments. Within Move Money, choose routing numbers and direct deposit. You'll then see a drop-down where you can select the specific account you want. If you have more than one account, be sure to pick the exact account you intend to use because each account can have unique details. After selecting the account, the page will display your account number and the correct routing number for that account. You'll also see an option to download or print the details, which is helpful if you need to hand them to payroll or keep a secure record. This page is Schwab's official source for these numbers, so what you see there is what you should use. It's important to understand a few differences before you use those numbers. If you're looking at a brokerage account, you'll see an account number, but the routing number shown may be limited to certain types of incoming transfers. Brokerage routing details aren't always accepted for bill pay or automatic debits, so check the notes on that page and use them only for the purposes Schwab indicates. In contrast, a Schwab checking account will show both an account number and a routing number that you can typically use for ACH transfers, direct deposit, and services like Zelle. Knowing which account type you're working with prevents payment errors and delays. You may come across common Schwab routing numbers online, such as 112.120.211 or 151.282.370. While these can be correct in some cases, Schwab assigns routing numbers based on your account setup and location, so you should always confirm the exact routing number shown in your own account. Don't rely on search results or third-party lists, because using the wrong number can cause returned deposits or failed transfers. To recap, go to Move Money, open routing numbers and direct deposit, select your account, and use the account and routing numbers shown there. If needed, download or print those details so you have them ready for payroll or transfer forms. Following this process ensures you're using Schwab's official most accurate information every time.